Okay, for our ongoing class, we're working on Satin Doll, and there's a really neat little harmonic embellishment we can add. It's on the first line of each stanza. Now, this is the way that it is written. Cigarette holder, which wigs me over his shoulder. That's the first line. And this is the idea I wanted to share with you. So watch what's happening when I'm going from the G9 to, from the G9 to the E minor 7. So it'll look like this. Cigarette holder, which wigs me over his shoulder. Now, I exaggerated that just so you could see the little difference here. So I'm going to go through this slowly and show you count by count what's happening. D minor, 1, 2, G9, 1, 2, D minor, G9, and then we play that G9 once beat. Then we're going to form an E flat minor 7 and slide into that E minor 7. Now, you don't have to think E flat minor 7. You can just think the fret just before or just to the left. You're looking at your own fretboard, just to the left of that E minor 7. So we're doing, let's just try that. So our fingers are in the 6th fret, we're going to go to the 7th. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a little practice. 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it together really slowly. 2, 3, 4. Cigarette holder, which wigs me over his shoulder. Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4. A cigarette holder, which wigs me over his shoulder. Like that. It's really, really cool.